Have you noticed how many AI avatar talking channels are popping up on YouTube lately? They're everywhere. And what's crazy is, some of them are getting thousands of views in just a few months after launching. So, what's their secret? Let's take a few examples. The Zenny Studio, Lara AILab, and Isado's AI. These channels create incredibly realistic AI avatar videos, super lifelike visuals, smooth speech, and voices that sound amazing to the ear. And you might be wondering, how do they do it? Well, you guessed it. They're using AI video creation tools like HeyGen, Jog AI to bring their content to life. But today, I'm going to show you how to create AI avatar videos with HeyGen AI, just like those successful channels do so. With HeyGen, you can literally give life to your script. Your words become motion, voice, and expression. And here's the twist. The video you're watching right now was also created this way. Yep, you're actually watching an AI avatar generated entirely using HeyGen. Pretty cool, right? By the end of this walkthrough, you'll see just how simple it is to turn your ideas into stunning, professional AI videos that look and sound totally natural. So, let's get started. Once you're logged into HeyGen, this is the main dashboard. On the left side, you'll find the navigation menu, your guide to all the right spots. I won't go too deep into the navigation menu. HeyGen actually offers a free plan. Just log in with your Gmail account to access the dashboard and explore each menu yourself. You'll find the link in the description. Over here, you'll see a set of shortcuts. These are quick links to HeyGen's most popular tools and features. If I click on View All, it takes me to the Apps section, where I can explore everything HeyGen offers. Now here's something you might not know. HeyGen isn't just an avatar video generator, it's actually a complete AI video creation platform that can handle almost everything in the video production process. You can generate AI images, turn your photos into talking avatar videos, and even create motion graphic videos, all in one place. Honestly, I'd say HeyGen is one of the best AI video creation tools every content creator or YouTuber should have access to. Take a look here. HeyGen has integrated VEO 3.1 Avatar Video, Google's latest AI model, to create great avatar videos with action and ultra-realism. That just shows how quickly they're improving and updating their platform with new features. All right, without wasting any time, let's go ahead and create an AI avatar video that brings your script to life. First, head over to Quick Avatar Video. Here, you'll find all the public avatars available in HeyGen's library. You can simply choose any avatar, paste your script, and generate your video. But here's the catch. Since these avatars are public, anyone can use them. So if my audience sees the same avatar on another YouTube channel, it might hurt my brand identity and authenticity. That's why I prefer to upload my own avatar photo and turn that into a talking AI avatar. To do that, go to Photo to Video, click Upload Photo, then select the avatar photo you want to bring to life. By the way, I actually generated this avatar image using ChatGPT. You can easily create one too with a simple prompt. Now, since I uploaded a portrait photo, when I try to switch to landscape mode, HeyGen doesn't automatically detect the face. It just crops the middle of the image, which sometimes misses the avatar's face, and you can't manually adjust the crop either. This is definitely something HeyGen could improve, maybe by allowing users to select the crop area or auto-detect the face. For now, I'll just keep it in portrait mode. Next, I'll paste my script into the text box. Now it's time to choose a voice. HeyGen offers a massive voice library, and you can filter voices by gender, use case, and age to match your avatar's style. Let's test a few. Let's hear Lena.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life.
Not bad. Now Anne.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life.
Okay, that sounds nice. Let's try Alexa.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life.
Good tone. And finally, Emery.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life.
Ooh, that one's soft and natural. I think I'll go with Anne's voice. It feels clear and expressive. Perfect for this avatar. Now let's move to the custom motion section. Here you can describe how your avatar should move. gestures, expressions, and overall tone. For this video, I'll set it to calm and focused. Then, select your video resolution. Always go with 1080p for the best quality, but since I'm currently on the free plan, I'll stick with 720p. That's it. Everything's ready. Now just click Generate Video, and within about a minute, HeyGen will create your talking avatar video. Let's play it.
Hi there. You're now watching me bring this script to life using the HeyGen's photo to video feature, created entirely from just my photo.
Wow, my avatar photo just came to life, speaking my script in a natural and realistic way, all thanks to HeyGen's latest Avatar 4 model. Pretty amazing, right? I didn't stop there. I wanted to push HeyGen even further. So I took that same female portrait photo and transformed it into a 3D Pixar-style cartoon using ChatGPT, without changing the background, the outfit, or anything else. Then I uploaded that cartoon avatar into HeyGen to bring it to life as a talking character. Now let's see how HeyGen handles animated, cartoon-style characters.
You might have seen me earlier in this video as a real human, but now here I am speaking to you as a Pixar-style cartoon avatar. Pretty cool, right? Watch me closely. HeyGen does an impressive job with eye movement, lip sync, and facial expressions, even in this animation style.
That's how you can bring your ideas to life using HeyGen AI, the tool that's changing the way creators make content. Honestly, this is the best time to start your YouTube channel, because now with HeyGen, you don't need an expensive studio setup, you don't need to record your own voice, and you definitely don't have to hire a voiceover artist or buy costly cameras and microphones. HeyGen handles all of that for you. Just write your script, choose your avatar and voice, and within a minute, it turns your words into a professional, realistic video. No editing, no retakes, no filler words, and no stress. So go ahead, try HeyGen for yourself by clicking the link in the description. Start creating your videos today and see how easy it is to become a YouTuber with the power of AI. Thanks for watching. And remember, your next viral video might just be one HeyGen project away.